How to contact customer service through the Zara app. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to contact customer service through the Zara app. If you're having an issue with the app and that you wish to contact to a customer service, first of all go ahead and log in into your Zara app. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, you go ahead and tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner, and right on top you can see there are multiple tabs. You could go ahead and tap on the help button. When you press on the help button, it's going to take you to the help center page where you'll be instructed on how you should go ahead and contact the support team. You could also tap the search box tool and then type in the message or the help that you're seeking from, and that should be able to get you in touch with customer service team. Likewise, if you're unable to find this option helpful, then you could also exit out of your Zara app, and then on the search box go ahead and type in help.zara or help Zara. When you are on this page, you should be able to find all of these information and a link in order to get in touch with the customer service team. So that is how you can contact customer service through the app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.